I would like to maybe skydive, maybe do like a bungee jump off a cliff or something. I really enjoy fear. I want to get an electric car. I want to rescue some horses. I've had a very big transformation this year with my fitness lifestyle, and it's been a really insane process, and I feel better about myself than I ever have, which makes me feel proud. I worked really hard on it, and I just want to get really fucking buff. I just want to be buff. Yeah, so hopefully by next year I will be